Imagine being so terrified of a light switch that you'd rather leave the lights on all night long. That's exactly what happened when the White House got electricity in 1891. The Edison Company was wiring up the massive State, War, and Navy building next door to the White House. They ran the project using a powerful steam-powered generator that would supply electricity to both buildings simultaneously. President Harrison and First Lady Caroline watched nervously as workers installed the strange new technology. Shiny brass switches appeared on the walls next to the old, familiar gas lamps they'd always trusted. But Harrison was genuinely terrified. He'd heard stories about electric shocks and refused to touch any switch. First Lady Caroline shared his fear completely. Neither would go anywhere near the mysterious brass fixtures. So the White House staff had to turn the lights on and off for them every single day. Sometimes the lights burned all night because no staff were available and the Harrisons wouldn't touch them. Eventually, the fear faded, but for months, America's most powerful man was afraid of a light switch. If you enjoyed this story, please hit that like button. It truly helps us create more content like this.